My name's Endemics from Sample Tools by Cr2, and I'm very proud to present our brand new production toolkit, Sound of Techno, produced by Michele Russi. Representing a cross-section of techno, this pack contains over 800 megabytes of content, and we've done everything possible to give you the ultimate techno production toolkit. Deep dark bass loops, huge drum hits and loops including 52 key label kick drums, all built to support the biggest techno productions. Our synth loops and one-shots are designed to add the necessary grooves and energy to your productions. We also have 8 key-labelled inspiring song starter construction kits, perfect to get your ideas going quickly. At Sample Tools by Cr2, as well as giving you the best audio samples on the market, we also aim to give you all the raw materials you need to rival the top producers. That's why we include 20 massive presets, and every melodic part is included as a MIDI file for your ultimate flexibility. If all this wasn't enough, we include 3 of our trademark podcast video tutorials outlining the production techniques used in the pack and a booklet containing tips and tricks from the producer. This is the sound of techno, bringing the warehouse party vibes to your studio.